I can't hear him.
Mic
You'll
on.
have to switch it on.
You're not supposed to talk about you know what.
That is house is 2 degrees.
Oh God. No, no, not
Wait,
here,
sorry.
guys. Not
Yeah.
here. Okay. Congratulations to the entire team. The song looks fab. It's damn stylized. Okay. And I have to ask you this, Dhwani, that you've written the song.
Uh-huh.
Uh, where was the seed? Like, when did you know that, hey, you know what, I can start writing now? This is it.
I feel like, in life also I used to just write about things that I felt. Like I have a book that I write things in. So for me, then it became over the years, then you start building that thing, कि अच्छा now it forms like a whole thing. And then as I started getting better at, learning music, and I started playing the piano, it got easier for me to sort of stitch a melody onto the words that I had written. So, and anyway, I like write about my life. So it's not like it's hard, but I always have to take approvals because I'm like a really scared person. I would just write something and wait for like ages to like tell someone about it. So, but again, it's right from my heart and my life. So it flows.
That would be an
Perfect.
interesting book to read. I can assure you
For
that.
sure, for sure.
And you should have seen her reaction as soon as she said, "There's a book that I write, and I write everything." She just looked at her father right that
I
time.
think we should publish that book now.
But you're not going to get any names, dude, if you're looking for that.
हाय ध्वनि, सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस आप सभी को. ये गाना ऑलरेडी मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है.
सही.
शुरू की
Thank
दो
you
तीन
so
लाइन,
much.
दैट ट्यून इज ऑसम एंड आई जस्ट लव्ड इट.
Thank you.
ध्वनि, आज एक सीक्रेट बता दो, कितने गाने अब तक लिख कर रखे हुए हैं और डायरी में कितने कॉन्सेप्ट्स लिख कर रखे हुए हैं, उसमें से कितने अपने पापा को बताए हैं और कितने अब तक आपके खजाने में बाकी हैं?
बहुत सारे बताए हैं, बहुत सारे रिजेक्ट भी हुए हैं अभी, बट थोड़े और बचे हैं और आगे भी मैं लिखती रहूँगी जब तक मुझे एक अच्छा सा मेरा यार जैसा वापस कुछ नहीं मिल जाए. I'll keep writing and as you grow I think आपके दिमाग में चीज़ें आती रहती है और स्टोरीज बनती रहती है, तो वो खजाना और बढ़ेगा.
धोनी, एक सीक्रेट और मैं जानना चाहूँगा
हाँ जी सर.
कि विनोद को हमने एज ए मार्केटिंग एज अ मतलब मीडिया में जिस तरह से हम जानते हैं,
हाँ जी.
आप ज़रा रोशनी डालिए कि ये क्रिएटिव कितने हैं और कितने गाने या फिल्मों के थीम या आपके जो सीन्स होते हैं आपके वीडियोस में और आपके साथ बैठ के आपको कितना बताते हैं?
सर आई थिंक मेरे डैड की इंसाइट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. वो जब भी कुछ भी कहते हैं आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज राइट. आई हैव सीन दैट. और मैं कभी कभी उनकी सुनती नहीं हूँ जो गलत है बट आई थिंक मुझे उनकी ज़्यादा सुननी चाहिए बिकॉज जब भी वो कोई भी क्रिएटिव इनपुट देते हैं आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज टू मेक द सॉन्ग बेटर. लाइक इन मेरा यार मैंने पूरा हुक तक का सेक्शन लिखा था. सो उन्होंने कहा, और तभी व्हेनेवर यू राइट समथिंग आपको उससे प्यार हो जाता है, वो इट्स अ थिंग. तो ही सेड नहीं, यू गेट श्लोक ऑन बोर्ड and you get Abhijit on board to advise you and to, because it's your first composition, you should have people जो आपको correctly पूरा structure में help करे, and that's what we did and that's how it looks like this.
ये कोई गाना लिखने वाले हैं आपके लिए? नहीं.
ये भी लिखते हैं सर, आपको भी इनकी डायरी पढ़नी चाहिए.
इसीलिए मैंने पूछा. थैंक यू.
आदित्य, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि विनोद ने आपको कॉल करके कहा कि आप ध्वनि को जानते हो या नहीं. तब तक आपने ध्वनि के गाने सुने होंगे क्योंकि ध्वनि को सभी लोग जान गए हैं. ध्वनि के साथ काम करके उसकी आवाज़ के बारे में, उसकी स्टाइल के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? और आप भी, अगर ध्वनि आप भी आदित्य के बारे में, दोनों जन.
So, of course, I know everybody knows about Dhwani and n number of songs she's done and fantastic songs she's done. So, but हुआ ये था जब मैंने गाना पहली बार सुना तो I thought it was fantastic. Firstly, Piyush and Shazia came home, उन्होंने गाना वाना सुना. I thought I was blown away. मुझे ये नहीं पता था that she had composed it and quite frankly मुझे आज मालूम पड़ा she had written it also. उसके पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं था that she had written it. I had no idea, quite frankly. When we were in the tank, I remember this, and she started singing. And I thought, there are a lot of artists that are making use of technology, auto-tune, ye wo, and they sound good. But the first time I heard her sing, especially in water, thand lag rahi hai hame, I was blown away because ek to hum andar the, it was echoing in my ears. It was beautiful, and I became a huge fan. I became a massive fan.
That is so sweet to say, Adi. About Aditya, I just want to say that he is so cooperative. He's spent about 10 years in the industry, and I wouldn't expect him to be so easy to work with. And so, like, he's a very nice person. Everything was so, like, he didn't say no for nothing. He was, like, always there, and he made my performance better because, of course, he's a much better actor. So I think he made me look good, and he made the song look good, and I'm forever thankful.
Thank you.
Okay,
And
Dhwani and
मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए इस चीज के लिए, हाँ?
नहीं
It was
नहीं
straight from the heart.
ये free था.
okay, Dhwani and Aditya, I have a question. ये पानी के अंदर आप लोग ये poses और ये मुस्कुराते कैसे हो यार?
Yeah, I think he has done a fab job. वो नीचे जाके smile कर रहा है. I'm like, how do you do that? So you should ask him this question.
क्या सीख रहे हो यार?
I think, Vinod sir was also there. The amount of effort people have taken to make this happen, सबकी energies आपके अंदर आ जाती है. If you see what people have done to make this happen, it's madness. So you अंदर से खुशी होती है. You want to deliver. You want to give your best. Then इसके immediately बाद we were in front of a fire also. मतलब सूखे बाहर आए, फिर fire sequence कर रहे हैं हम रात को जो beginning का sequence था. So we've done it all, and it's just because of the energy that the team has brought, that Vinod sir has brought. Nothing else.
Amazing. Okay, on that note, can we just play some bit of a song, and can you guys
The hook step?
please do that? That's what I was asking. Thank you.
विनोद सर करेंगे, हाँ? सर को आता है अच्छे से.
By the way, I have to mention this, that Vinod sir, you are absolutely entertaining on Dhwani's Insta story. I love to watch that. Like, you are so entertaining. मेरे को लगता है, I think Dhwani in the next music video you should get him like a cameo.
गाना बन जाएगा अच्छे से.
yesterday. See you all soon.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out. And please stay safe. Please mask पहने रखिए. Social distancing maintain करते रहिए. हाथ sanitize करते रहिए. Thank you so much. And of course, I would also like to thank PVR for giving us this wonderful, wonderful venue and their support. Thank you very much, PVR, as well. I'm Arjun Praveer. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later.